Let's explore Earth's Halo dashboard from Tableau Public. This dashboard shows the distributions of satellite launched so far based on their respective countries and their counts. They are using circle mark chart from Tableau to achieve this visualization. Let's explore how we can build this type of chart for such use cases. I have downloaded the Earth's Halo workbook from Tableau Public. Let's deep dive. We will need some angle-based functions and calculations to achieve these radially distributed positions of each satellite around the static image of Earth. This chart is developed using just one sheet. Let's go inside it. Before creating this chart, it's important to see how the actual underlying data looks. I have plotted all the required dimensions and measures at row level to understand it better. ID field is the row level identification of each satellite. Since it is a circular plotting, we will need distinct angle along with their x and y position. So end result that we are interested in is radial jitter x and radial jitter y. To create these unique values starting from 0 towards 1 using the ID and measure column, we will create normalized measure. Measure is year of satellite launch. Using this, we are creating distinct values for each row using Windows function, which will vary between 0 to 1. As you can see, for each row, we have one normalized measure value. Let's open the jitter angle calculation. This is linear congruential generator sequence to achieve the random number generator for our jitter angle, which we can plot against each distinct satellite. It remembers previous value, thus we won't have a repeated number throughout our partition. Using this jitter angle values, we are creating two more x and y coordinate values to plot on our chart, which are nothing but their respective sine and cos values towards previously created normalized measure. And when we plot these values on our circle chart, it creates this distinct circular look. We really don't need two placeholders for the x-axis. It is just being used to create the blurry halo effect using the capacity of color at 7%. If I remove this, it will look very distinct. And it won't give that space effect which we had previously. Let's revert it back. Marks are pretty straightforward. Sum of color on the mark using these 7 distinct categories for 7 individual countries. An ID is being added to the detail to achieve the distinct granularity. It is very important that all the plotters should follow the compute using ID dimension. If we don't follow that, this structure won't form at all. We really don't need to learn those calculus function that goes behind these plotters. These are readily available on Tableau public platform or the Tableau forum itself. You can achieve many other shape types using this plotter method. That should be enough to get you started. Thank you.